talking about the state of the penguin, I think it's important for people to understand. I mean, Oracle got into the Linux game, in the 90s, maybe the latter part of the 90s. And Oracle, of course, wants to make Linux, wants to make Oracle, its applications and database, run better on Linux. But as you're pointing out, your Linux distro, full support, end to end, thousands of people in your open source community, and the contributions that you make to Linux, many, if not most, they go upstream. Everybody can benefit from those. But of course, you want an Oracle distro that is going to make Oracle stuff run better. That's always kind of been the Oracle way.
Well, so yes, two things though. One is that, so everything we do is upstream. So we have no Linux patches that are not contributed upstream. There's no proprietary code in Oracle Linux at all. It's all completely open, publicly available. The source code, the change log, all the commits, everything. It's fully open and public, which sometimes is not well understood, but it's completely open. And,
right.
And everything we do in terms of feature development or functionality or bug fixes goes upstream to the Linux kernel mail list. It's the only way to be able to manage a Linux distribution and be a Linux vendor is to live in that ecosystem. Otherwise, the cost of maintaining your own fork, so to speak, is very high, and it doesn't really solve the problem. Now, the functionality we work on obviously is focused on making Oracle products run better, making Oracle Cloud run better, and so forth. However, what's important to understand though is an Oracle database is a program running on an operating system. It does I/O, it does networking, it does memory, it deals with memory management, lots of processing. So for the most part, the things we work on to improve that helps everyone else. Mm-hmm. Right? It helps every other database run better, or it helps every other language run better. So none of these changes are specific to Oracle. They're just things that we found doing performance benchmarks and testing and so forth, where we say, hey, if Linux did the following, it would make boot up faster. Now, boot up has nothing to do with the database. But right. If our customers run on 1 terabyte, 4 terabyte, 8 terabyte systems, and so booting up and Linux starting up and cleaning up memory takes a long time. So we want to reduce that from an availability point of view. So here we're now talking about just enterprise features, right? And so there's this broad set of things we work on that definitely help us, but they're actually really completely generic and help everyone else.